Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Simcoe local and long-distance movers near me. Movers offer the right options for your next move. When it's time to move, you need the right professionals to help make it easier. Our team will provide you with all the right options to make your residential or commercial move go smoothly. Our long-distance moving services make it simple for you to get to where you need to go. We offer all of the following: packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. If you're ready to get the best long-distance move for your needs, we have just what you need. Our team offers plenty of excellent options to help make your move easier. Let us take the stress out of moving for you. A Canada Moving Company will help you get the best local move you can imagine. Instead of doing all the work yourself, the right local movers will take care of it for you. 3 Movers offers plenty of options to help you with your move. We know how to save you time and energy whenever you need to move. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Simcoe moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.